current time is 8:14. We start off our Friday morning under a flash flood. Watch for the entire viewing area. This goes until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, but let's expect this to be extended into Sunday and possibly even into Monday, just due to the amount of rainfall we've seen already and the rainfall that we can expect heading throughout the weekend. Now, rainfall total since Wednesday. This is when the rain showers first started. Dublin has been the wet spot all week. 8 inches of rain, well above 4 inches. When we start to see the red, that's locations around on average 3 inches of rain. Getting into the purple, that's more 2 inches. But notice, everyone at least sees blue, and blue is on average 1 inch of rain since Wednesday. And I think we're going to tack on an additional 1 inch throughout the day today, and then we're going to add some more on Saturday and also on Sunday. Now, your current satellite and radar shot shows a lot of the activity has moved north of I-16 so far. Baldwin County, we're seeing some heavy showers in Milledgeville. Also, we're seeing some heavy stuff into Wilkinson County, around McIntyre and Irvington. And as we head south for us in Houston County and Peach County, a heavy thunderstorm making its way across I-75. That's moving into Warner Robins and into Perry, leaving out of Fort Valley. And that's going to move into Twiggs County near Jeffersonville within the next 30 minutes, and this system is dumping a lot of rainfall. And as I said, a couple of bolts of lightning and rumbles of thunder embedded within this system as well. But notice that behind this, pretty quiet, lots of cloud cover, but we do have more off coming into the Gulf, coming from the Gulf of Mexico, and that's going to bring some heavy rain showers throughout the day today. Daytime highs expected to be in the lower 70s once again. Yesterday's daytime high was 71 degrees. That was the coolest daytime high for August 15th since 1986. Today, I think our daytime high will fall in the record books as well for the coolest daytime high for today. The record for August is 60 degrees, set way back in 1980s. And then as we head throughout the overnight hours, expect the heavy showers to continue. Temperatures will drop into the mid to upper 60s for overnight lows. We will be dealing with an easterly wind at about 5 miles an hour. Now, your first look ahead, we're going to start off around 11 o'clock. See the shower activity is still in play. Very light sprinkles at this time. We're not talking about heavy rain showers around 11 o'clock. Heavier stuff is well off out to the north and east. But notice, coming off the coast, some heavier storms coming from the Gulf of Mexico, and that's going to work its way into the viewing area, say around 3 o'clock. Southern communities getting more rain. Lawrence County, Dublin, unfortunately, more heavy storms are heading your way around 3 o'clock. We'll see scattered showers and storms for the rest of the viewing area. And as we progress throughout the day, those showers will work its way north, kind of like they did yesterday. And we'll see some heavy storms tomorrow morning, early tomorrow morning, and tomorrow afternoon. So Saturday looks fairly wet. The stationary front still in place across central Georgia, and it's really going to open the floodgates for some heavy rainfall over the next couple of days. And as we go into Sunday, better chances we see some sun, better chance we stay dry. But I still think we have some showers in play for Sunday. Won't be until Monday when we get back to a normal weather pattern and this wet pattern beginning to fall apart altogether. Rainfall totals forecast for the next couple of days through the weekend, anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of rain across the viewing area, and we still keeping an eye out into the tropics. This is that area of concern, low pressure system, still a tropical wave. It's going to move into the Gulf of Mexico, into the warmer waters, and it also has a very light upper level wind, and that's really going to allow for this thing to develop. But the good news is the models all have it moving to the west, away from us, so that stationary front will have less to work with in the way of moisture, but it's still going to get some moisture in there, but just not as much as we were expecting earlier in the week when that model was forecasted to come closer to central Georgia. Now, your 7-day forecast, we're going to stay under 70 degrees for the next 3 days, and then that wet weather pattern will begin to break up by Monday. We start to see warmer temperatures, a little bit more in the way of sunshine, and eventually temperatures are back into the 90s. But until then, said expect at least 3 inches of additional rainfall, and flooding will be a big concern going into the weekend.